Ever wondered who's steering the ship behind that sleek, secure Tangem wallet you've been hearing so much about? You know, the one that looks like a credit card but holds the keys to your crypto kingdom? It's a fair question. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency and hardware wallets, understanding the leadership driving innovation and security is crucial. Tangem has carved out a unique space for itself, offering a different approach to securing digital assets. Unlike traditional hardware wallets with their screens and button combinations, Tangem provides a minimalist, NFC-enabled card. This simplicity has garnered attention, making users wonder about the visionaries behind this design philosophy. Who is the person or the team guiding Tangem's journey in this competitive landscape? Well, let's dive in. The driving force and the CEO of Tangem is Andrei Kurenic. He's the individual at the helm, steering the company's strategic direction and overseeing its growth in the ever-evolving cryptocurrency market. Kurenic brings a wealth of experience to the table, leading Tangem with a clear vision for accessible and secure crypto storage. Under his leadership, Tangem has focused on user-friendliness without compromising on security. The design of the Tangem wallet, its ease of use with just a tap, and its robust security features are all testaments to the direction set by Kurenic and his team. Their focus has been on breaking down the barriers to cryptocurrency adoption by offering a secure yet intuitive solution for both beginners and experienced users alike. The company's commitment to open-source principles and rigorous security audits further reflects the leadership's dedication to transparency and trust within the crypto community. This emphasis on building a reliable and accessible product has been a key differentiator for Tangem in the crowded hardware wallet market. So, when you think of Tangem, remember Andrei Kurenic, the CEO who's leading the charge in making cryptocurrency security simpler and more accessible. His vision is evident in the product itself, a blend of cutting-edge technology and user-centric design. This leadership is crucial in navigating the complexities of the blockchain space and ensuring Tangem remains a relevant and trusted solution for securing digital assets. The company's continued innovation and expansion into new markets are also a direct result of the strategic direction set by its CEO. Understanding the leadership behind a company like Tangem provides valuable insight into its values and long-term goals. In the world of crypto, trust and transparency are paramount, and knowing who is leading the way helps users make informed decisions about the security of their digital assets. Andrei Kurenic's role as CEO is pivotal in shaping Tangem's future and its contribution to the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.